welcome back to my channel. It's the girl Nora. Welcome back here again today. I brought you a very interesting topic that I know you will be interested in seeing. So today we'll be talking about these two amazing products, okay? These products from White Now, okay? So before we dive into today's video, if you're yet to subscribe to my channel, please subscribe, turn on your notification bell so you'll be notified each time I drop a video, okay? So now let's dive into today's video. So if you haven't subscribed, you don't know what you're missing here, join this amazing family. Touch that subscribe button, subscribe so you don't miss out on all the hot tips we share here on this channel. We talk about skincare, beauty, fashion, and lifestyle. We talk about products that work, that give amazing results. We do DIYs, we do for mixing, we do reviews of great products with outstanding results. So I'll be talking about one of the amazing products right now in the market, and that is White Now soap, okay, and White Now concentrate, okay. First of all, I'll talk about this soap. Now, if you have dark spots, you have dark inner thighs, you have pigmentation, you have dark spots on your skin, you have dark nail, dark elbow, dark feet, okay, and you haven't cleaned your hands or you haven't used the soap, trust me, you don't know what you're missing. So now I'm going to tell you, this is a honest review, okay. I'm not just blabbing. This is 100% review of this amazing soap. Now the White Now soap, I'm going to be giving you tricks on how you can use this to take off dark spots from your skin. It's written White Now doesn't necessarily mean it will whiten up your skin. No, this does a great job in evening out your skin tone than whitening, okay. This does a great job in taking off spot, discoloration off your skin. So it's written White Now doesn't mean like it will turn you white. It is great with correcting pigmentation, blemishes, dark spots, dark patches, any dark stain on your skin. I'll give you tricks on how to use this to achieve that, okay. But before we do that, I'm going to review the soap, show you around the soap to make you understand what it looks like. So this is what the soap looks like, and this is it inside, okay. It has this beautiful shapes like egg, kind of beautiful, okay. I love the shape of the soap and I like the color. All right, and I'll also read out the content and the ingredients of this soap. So White Now is an exfoliating lightning super fast triple action soap. It's a 200-gram soap. All right, the complex formula White Now hydrates and nourishes the skin, reduce blackheads, reduce skin aging effect, and leave the skin clear, full of beauty and in good health. So the ingredients contained in this soap is sodium palmate, sodium chloride, palm oil, glycerine, glucoside, aqua, vitamin E, acetate. Active element in this soap is kojic acid, hydroquinone 2%, bearberry extract, and fragrance. Now you can use this soap if you're not a fan of hydroquinone, okay. Hydroquinone is not necessarily that bad. Hydroquinone is meant for treatment, so you can use this soap to treat your skin, take off blemishes and discoloration, then switch to any other soap that you feel that suits your skin, okay. So if you're having dark spots, hydroquinone is really great for discoloration and black patches, okay. It's meant for treatment, it's not meant for like a permanent solution to your skin. You can use hydroquinone to take off discoloration or skin stains, pigments, and all that, okay. Then you switch to any other safer brand, okay, for maintenance. So I'll give you a tricks on how you can use this to take off dark inner thighs, dark bump. Like seriously, if you have blemishes off your skin, you have dark spots, you have dark inner thighs, you have dark inner burns, you have dark underarm, you have whatever stain on your skin, and you haven't laid your hands on this soap, you haven't used the soap, you're missing, seriously. So this soap will help you take off all the stuff. It's an exfoliating soap. It has something like grains on it, okay. Let me open it. It has stuff like grains on it. Now I'm opening it just to show you how you can use this to take off spots or blemishes. Example, now when it has something like granules on it, so for dark inner thighs, for example, how you use the soap to take off that, before you take your bath, you take this soap, you dip it in water, take it to that affected area, use it to scrub the area because it has something like granules. Okay, like for your dark inner thighs or dark underarm, use this soap to scrub the area. Use it to scrub, like let's say the dark inner thighs. Let's say this is the dark inner thighs. You soak the water. Use it to scrub the area. Scrub. Then you now tap water in your palm. Use it to massage in the soap in that area. Massage it in. Make sure you massage the soap in properly. Then you leave it there for like 20 to 30 minutes before shower time. Then you go and take your bath. Do this every day. Before you're done with this bath soap, do it every day. Then after maxing it, then you can take the soap, use it to take your bath. Okay, use it to take your bath to correct any spot on your skin. Use it to take your bath to take off any spots on your skin. Okay, if it's your nail, take it, put it there, max it on your nail, touch water on your palm, massage the soap properly into your nails. After that, leave it there for 20 to 30 minutes before you go take your bath. If it's your dark feet as well, take the soap directly on your feet. Use it to scrub your feet. It has something like granules, which will also help in exfoliating your feet. Use it to scrub your feet. Then touch your hand in water. Take some of the soap. Still use it to rub deep into your feet. Leave it there to sink in for like 20 to 30 minutes. Just leave it there before you go and take your bath. Okay, if it's dark spot you have all over your skin, just take the soap, touch it in water. Use it to rub like a bubble. Max it all over your body. Leave it on for 20 to 30 minutes. Then you go take your bath. Do this like daily. Before you run out of this soap, you will see great changes all over those areas you have dark spots. If it's for your inner thighs as well, touch it in water. Use it to scrub your underarm. Scrub it. Use to scrub it well. Touch your hand in water. Massage the place. Leave it for like 10 minutes. If your skin is sensitive, you can not. If your skin is very sensitive, like it's really sensitive, you can just stay for 10-20 minutes. Then you go and wash it off. Okay. If you have dark spot all over your body, just smack the soap all over your body for a few minutes. Then take your bath. Trust me, by the time you're done with this one bath, you're going to see great changes that will encourage you to maybe get another bath to continue the process. You can go ahead, use like 1, 2 or even 3 of this soap to take off all those spots. Then you can now switch to a milder soap to maintain result with natural ingredients like carrots and glutathione to maintain result. But trust me, for effective dark spots removal, this is it. This will help you correct all those blemishes and spots on your skin. This is really great. So that is the tricks on how to use it. This is a tested and trusted. I tried this and trust me, this works. It works for inner thighs, it works for underarm, it works for butt. I have recommended it to many of my customers and they have come back with great reviews. Okay, it's not just something I'm just saying or just to say. I have recommended this to too many of my customers that complain about dark spots or that have complained. Mostly I have recommended this to many customers that complain of dark underarm, dark inner thigh, dark inner butt. I just want flawless skin. There's this beautiful feeling when all your skin everywhere from head to toe is even with no single spots. If you want to achieve that, this is the soap. It's not even expensive. It's around 1,000 something. It's going to help you correct any blemishes on your skin. The reason why that doesn't mean it's going to change your skin. So even if you're dark skin and you have blemishes, just use this directly on those areas you have that dark spot to correct it. You might necessarily not use it to shower, but use it to put on those dark spots to correct those areas. Okay, if you're dark skin, the chocolate skin, you don't want to really lighten your skin at all, you can use this to just max on those areas you have blemishes or pigmentation, dark spots, to take them off. Okay. But if you're light skin, you can use it to shower as well to help you achieve the silky, clear skin with no blemishes. Then later on, you can switch to other soap. And before I forget, this soap is kind of hot when you put on your face, so avoid applying this on your face. Okay, if maybe you have dark spots or from acne or something, you can just put it around there, but please don't exceed somewhere close to your eyes. When you get close to your eyes, I'm not talking even entering your eyes, it's hot. Okay, so you can just avoid using it on your face and use it to take off the spots on your body. But if you want to try on your face, you can just use it close to your mouth or your jaw area. Don't get it close to your eye area because it hurts. It's really concentrated. It's strong soap. So let me quickly talk about this one. I don't want this video long, so I'm just going to quickly talk about this one. This is the super fast triple action whitener. It's a new concentrate. Okay, it's a new concentrate. So let me read out. It's whitener, cure and prevent cream and gel reaction. So if you can't find rapid white whitenizer, I used in making Madam White. You can't find that serum. Okay, if you're looking for something to prevent cream reaction when making your cream, okay, you can use this. Okay, this is very good. This is whitener, cure and prevent cream and gel reaction, sunburn, eczema, rashes, ringworm and other skin troubles due to bleaching cream reaction. The direction for use: whitener, apply directly to the sunburn for 3 days only. Like when you have sunburn, you can take this and just put on that sunburn. Don't use more than 3 days so it doesn't cause redness or something. You can just apply it directly to the sunburn area for 3 days only and you stop. So if you are to mix this into a cream, mix with any body lotion or cream. Maximum quantity is 200 ml. In case of any side effect, discontinue and consult your physician. Okay, the composition of this the serum as the concentrate, the composition of this concentrate is collagen, glutathione, alcohol, sulfates, propylene. Okay, this is very good. So if you can't find rapid white whitenizer, you can use this one as well. For whitener lotion, if you're using whitener lotion, just someone that's still using whitener lotion, you can use whitener lotion, the oil, the whitener oil and the concentrates. You can use these 3 together and 1 vitamin E oil. I'll put a picture on how you can arrange that. Whitener lotion, whitener oil, this concentrates, 1 bottle of vitamin E oil. Wow, you're gonna have amazing mix. See this mix I gave you here. Whitener lotion, whitener oil, this concentrates, 1 vitamin E oil. Then you can still add glycerin, okay, if you want. 1 vitamin E oil and glycerin. That's a very perfect mix to give you natural fairness. Okay, that's a very good mix. I'm going to put the picture so you understand what I mean. Okay, whitener lotion, whitener oil, this concentrates, vitamin E oil, and then maybe some glycerin. That's a perfect natural fairness mix I just gave you. Okay, so that will be all for today's video. These 2 amazing products, this soap. If you're having blemishes, just go and get the soap to correct it. December is close. I want all my beautiful queens here to have the best flawless skin with no blemishes. I don't want any of my divas here to have discoloration. If you're following me here, if you're subscribed to this channel, trust me, you're going to achieve a great skin with me. Okay, so that will be all for today's video. Do not forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Turn on your notification bell so you'll be notified each time I drop a video. Bye, and I'll see you in my next one.